Have you ever packed for a camping trip or emergency, only to realize your cooking setup is either too bulky, too complicated, or just unreliable when you actually need it? When you're outdoors or dealing with a power outage, the last thing you want is a stove that feels risky or difficult to operate. That's exactly where the Gas One GS-3400P tries to step in. Today, we're looking at the Gas One GS-3400P dual-fuel portable camping stove, designed for campers, emergency preparedness kits, RV travelers, and anyone who wants a simple backup cooking solution that works without electricity. The key idea here is flexibility and reliability in a compact form factor. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the GS-3400P is clearly built with practicality in mind. It has a compact, no-nonsense design that feels more functional than flashy. The carrying case is a nice addition because it keeps everything contained and easy to transport, especially if you're storing it in a car trunk, RV compartment, or emergency kit. The body feels lightweight but not fragile, and the control dial is positioned in a way that makes adjustments feel straightforward even for first-time users. One of the most useful aspects of this stove is its dual fuel capability. Being able to run on either butane or propane gives you flexibility depending on what you have available. In real-world terms, that means you're not locked into one fuel type during a trip or emergency. Whether you're using a standard butane cartridge or a propane cylinder with the included regulator, the transition is fairly simple and doesn't require complicated setup steps. Ignition is handled through a built-in piezoelectric system, which means you don't need matches or a lighter to get started. In practice, this makes a big difference when you're cooking outdoors in windy conditions or trying to operate the stove quickly during an emergency. You just turn the dial, click, and the flame is there. That simplicity is one of the biggest advantages of this design. When it comes to actual cooking performance, the GS-3400P is best described as practical rather than powerful. It's not designed to compete with high-output multi-burner camping stoves, but does a solid job handling basic cooking tasks. Boiling water, heating canned food, preparing simple meals, or making coffee are all within its comfort zone. The adjustable heat dial gives you enough control to go from a light simmer to a stronger flame when needed. One thing that stands out during use is how easy it is to operate overall. There's very little learning curve. Even if you've never used a portable stove before, the controls feel intuitive. Setup is quick, and once the fuel is connected, you're ready to cook within minutes. That makes it especially appealing for emergency preparedness kits, where simplicity matters more than advanced features. Safety is another area where Gas One has clearly put thought into the design. The built-in pressure sensor and gas flow cutoff system are meant to help prevent irregular pressure situations. In practical terms, this adds an extra layer of confidence, especially for users who may be using a portable stove in less controlled environments. It's not something you think about every time you use it, but it's reassuring to know it's there. Noise levels are minimal, producing the standard sound of a small propane or butane flame. Cleaning is also relatively simple since the design is compact and doesn't include unnecessary components that trap grease or residue. Most maintenance comes down to wiping down the surface after use and ensuring the burner stays clear. Of course, there are trade-offs. This is a single burner stove with limited cooking space, so it's not ideal for large family meals or group camping setups where multiple dishes are being prepared at once. It's also not the most powerful option in its category, so cooking times can be slower compared to larger camping stoves. However, for solo campers, emergency kits, RV travelers, students, or anyone who wants a reliable backup cooking solution, those limitations are easy to accept. The strength of this stove is its simplicity, portability, and fuel flexibility. Compared to other compact single-burner stoves in the same price range, the GS-3400P stands out mainly for its dual fuel compatibility and built-in safety features. Some competitors may offer slightly higher heat output or lighter designs, but few provide the same level of versatility in fuel options along with automatic ignition and safety systems. Overall, the Gas One GS-3400P is not trying to be a premium outdoor cooking system. Instead, it focuses on being a dependable, easy-to-use stove that works when you need it most. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or preparing for emergencies, it delivers a straightforward cooking solution without unnecessary complexity. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the description for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.